even when you are just doing inner chit chat, the first inner chit chat happens on its own. It is propelled by an impression. For example, you start singing a song, you don't even realize you're singing a song. For some time, it is going on and you can't even figure out what are the words properly. And then suddenly it becomes evident, oh, I'm singing this song. And I've been singing it for the past, whatever, 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And then you're like, I don't even like the song. And you stop it. Do you understand this? This has happened with you. Now you understand this came from an impression. The impression that I don't like this song. It is an impression of attachment, of dvesha, which was submerged deep in the consciousness. It kicked that seed, that song started playing. You didn't even realize what is going on. Some humming is going on. And suddenly it became evident, and you're like, I don't like this song. There, another reaction. Another seed is gone, and it's now embedded again. So you understand that something comes up of its own accord and it's got nothing to do with me. This is the flow. The flow brought up an impression. Like that only, the flow can bring up an older argument. The flow can bring up a sensation. The flow can bring up a thought. The flow can bring up a feeling. The flow can bring up the perception of touch, perception of taste, perception of smell, perception of sight. The flow can bring up something which has got nothing to do with you. You did not do anything in this moment. It is an automatic progeny coming because of its Kriya Chakra, the wheel of action. Its job is to act as a trigger so that you react to it. If you react, that reaction, the first reaction, that also you will not be able to stop. That first reaction is also off the flow. That first reaction is subtle, is at a thought level first. It is not at a gross manifestation level. It is at a subtle level. Recognize it there. This is the moment I can create pragya aparad, crime of awareness. This is my moment. Either I slip here and now or I stay. Just stay as the witness, stay as the witness, stay as the witness. If I don't stay as the witness, I jump in, I become servile to that thought or feeling or sensation, perception, whatever it was. And the action born of servility is but evil. Is this very clear? Now, the skill is in identifying what is it that came up from the flow automatically, which has got nothing to do with me. You've already seen I'm not the thinker. The first thought comes up automatically. I'm not the doer. The first, whatever movement of action, which is seen as a sensation wave, comes up automatically. The first perception of sight comes up automatically. It's got nothing to do with me. I am simply the knower, not the doer, not the thinker, not the experiencer. The first arising is not in my hands. After I notice the first arising, there can be a reaction at the subtle thought level, not at the gross, at the subtle thought level, which is again the first reaction born of the flow. At that moment, can I become aware and stay, not allow the subtle thought to manifest as a gross manifestation. This is the skill. Work on this skill. Subtle to gross. Can I recognize it at the subtle level?